Hey, hope everybody. Oh, let me get my mic over here. I got excited. Hey, hope everybody had an awesome week that you crushed your goals. Ryan here with Planet Cheapskate, popping on here to do our handy dandy rate update. If you're one of my realtor partners out there, good luck this weekend. If you have any open houses, if you have any showings, listings, anything like that, let me know. I can help you market those, get the information out there. I think I will be out and about this weekend, going to a couple open houses, trying to reach out and help out my realtor partners as much as possible. Um, I've been getting really beat up this week by just very difficult underwriters, but I've been saving some deals, and it's pretty awesome. I've been kind of getting a name for myself as the guy who can save deals when other, less experienced loan officers maybe mess them up a little bit. And so I'm slated to have like one of my most successful Februarys ever. Like normally February is a month where I have like maybe, 2, 3 loans. And I think, and I mean, I think I'm going to be like crushing that. So my best February ever, and super stoked about that. So I'm going to call myself Mr. January, because the way it is in lending is your loans that you do in January usually typically close in February. So you're always a month behind. So I can kind of see what my February is going to look like, knock on wood, in January. And so I'm slated to have like one of the best Februarys that I've ever had, and it's pretty awesome. So I'm stoked about that. So my thing was like, is there a new Mr. January? Funny story about that. So like, I don't know any of you guys watch the NFL playoffs. Tony Romo was making a call in Buffalo. I guess maybe they beat Miami or something. Some team they should have probably blown out of the water, but Tony Romo made a comment after the touchdown, called Josh Allen, the quarterback of Buffalo, Mr. January, and everybody was up in arms because they're like, he's doesn't win very often in the playoffs, so why give him that name? But made me think of like that name, Mr. January, and think about how good of February, knock on wood, that I should have. If you're a realtor out there and you're struggling, you have some buyers, some clients out there that are getting their runaround from other lenders. I have been saving loans and getting them closed hyper fast. So let me take a look at it. There's no sense in you have to do these 30, 45-day closings, 22 days or less with me. And our average is about 13 days. So super hyper fast. If we can get a W-2 borrower, no gift funds, and a 620 or above credit score, we can close those things hyper fast. So that is that. I want to invite you to subscribe. We're getting very close to the 1,000 subscriber mark, where I'm going to be giving away the $1,000 Amazon gift card. I think we're at like maybe 900 or something, so about 100 more to go, and we'll get there. So there's a link below. Give me that subscribe. My analytics tell me like 96 or like 98% of the people that watch my channel not subscribers. So do me a solid, become a subscriber, and you could have a chance to win a $1,000 Amazon gift card when I give that away. Before I get to my rates, I just want to explain a little bit. These are not rates that you can go to a credit union, go to a bank, go to a retail lender and get. These are rates that I get every Friday by making 50 of the most competitively priced banks compete. And then what I do is I just show the best one. I just show you what the best one looks like. This is taking an average borrower, someone with about a 700 credit score, trying to borrow $250,000. And it's a 30-day lock, and I never charge points on mine. So someone could come along, watch my rate of it, and be like, I can beat his rates. Yeah, but are you charging points? So these are without charging points. That's an important thing. As a loan officer, as a broker, you can get someone whatever rate that they want, but the key to it is not charging them points for that rate. And a point is just a percent of whatever the loan amount that you're getting is. So someone could get you 3%, but there's gonna be maybe $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 tacked onto your closing costs with that. So closing costs are important too. So whenever someone's showing you a rate, say, well, okay, what's the closing costs associated with that rate? So little FYI there. Hope everybody's having a happy and safe week. Let's get right to these rates, because they're looking pretty good. We have conventional at 6.25 with an APR of 6.530. FHA is at 5.625 with an APR of 6.634. VA is at 5.625 with an APR of 5.834. USDA is at 5.625 with an APR of 6.073. Really, really super stoked. I have a close family member that I was able to get that conventional, that 6.25, with actually not ideal credit. I mean, not the super, super high credit, but just an average. So it's kind of a testament to my rate update that I get take an average borrower. I don't do anything like someone who has like an 800 credit score and, trying to buy $1 million house or something. This is an average person. So this family member was looking in, I think it's like the $180,000 range, and their credit score is about 700. And I was able to get them 6.25. It was great. And if someone can beat it, they're probably paying points. So that's one thing, is like you can get whatever rate you want, but what's the closing cost going to be? So important thing there. Rates are looking good. Looks like some consolidation around the Govy loans. We call Govy loans FHA, VA, USDA because the government is involved in those. I think those were, let me check last week. Yeah, VA USDA was at 5.75 last week, so there's some consolidation down, which is good. Conventional FHA kind of stayed the same. So that is the rates. Hope everybody has a happy and safe weekend. I'm super stoked. I think I'm going to be, I got some webinar software ordered, and I think I'm going to be starting doing some webinars. So that's pretty awesome. Some free information. So, yeah, have a happy, safe weekend. I'll see you guys on the other side. Bye-bye.